Today we're going to wash the camper and get up on the top and check all the seals and everything before we make our first trip for the spring. A couple things we want to do before we start hosing everything down. First, we're going to disconnect the electric, and then we'll disconnect the water. Now, just to be sure, all the electric is off going to the trailer here. We'll turn off our kill switch also. In the spirit of safety, I don't expect to fall off of this ladder, but there is someone in the house that checks on me to make sure that I don't, especially with getting this aluminum ladder wet. Next, we're going to crawl on top and check out the seals and everything. So now that we're on top, you see this thing is pretty dirty, and most RVs, they're not totally level. I don't know if you can see the dip over there, but this is why we want to make sure all of our seals are good to go. This kind of seems okay. One thing I do want to do is I want to get in here and check out all of this, because we had a spot on the inside and I want to make sure that we're not leaking water up towards the front. It's pretty windy today, so the next thing I'm going to do is wash out this bucket, get rid of this pollen and dirt. So I got this product off Amazon. It's a one-step wash and wax, protects from UV fading, highly concentrated, cleans and restores in one step. I added about 3 or 4 ounces of this to my bucket of water, so let's see if it cleans and protects like it says it does. All right, so does this count as one of those AMSR videos or whatever they are? To get more views or something, just let me know. Basically, I'm now hooking up the brush wand to our hose, and then we will get to washing this beautiful thing down. As you can tell, you're not going to stay dry doing this. One more side, let's go. All right, there she is, all nice and clean. I'm going to come over here, turn the kill switch back on, and then let's go inside and see if we have any leaks. That was a little more of a workout than I wanted today. Anyway, we came inside to see if there's any leaks, because this is the first time that we've washed this trailer. We just got it in May of last year. So you see this section right here. We noticed this the other day, which made me wonder if we had any leaks. So I'm not seeing anything dripping down on the inside. We didn't see any water damage. We have what they call a COVID camper, which means it was built in the hustle and bustle of the RV industry trying to keep up with demand. So a lot of corners were cut and things like that. I did notice when I was washing the roof that the top of the camper around the fan area is not level. So I'm going to look into that. I know they have some leveling sealant that I might see about putting on there, because that could potentially be a spot for water to sit, and that's bad news. All right, we're leaving out of the old FreeSolo now. My wife told me that she would have watched this thing, and next time I'm going to take her up on that offer. So I'm going to bring this up for a quick product review. Undoes It one-step wash and wax. I don't know if I'd recommend this stuff. I know the trailer was a little dirty and I did a lot of scrubbing, but I feel like this is just soap with the RV sticker on it. So I don't know, maybe use dishwashing soap or something else. If you have a specific one that you like, let us know in the comments.